Hello you and welcome back to Cook with Salonee. Today we have another weekend special in store for you. We're diving deep into one of my childhood memories as we recreate a dish that holds a special place in my heart. Lamb and jackfruit curry served with rice. As a child, this dish was a staple in our home, and the aroma of it cooking in the kitchen would make my mouth water. As we begin, let's take a moment to appreciate those beautiful ingredients. Boiled jackfruit, tomatoes, and an array of aromatic herbs and spices. We've got tender pieces of lamb that need a few whistles in the pressure cooker. Let's jump right into the recipe. The key to this dish is slow cooking. We want those flavors to meld together and create a symphony of taste. As it simmers away, the aroma transports you back to some beautiful memory. Our lamb and jackfruit curry is now ready and I cannot wait to taste it. But before we do that, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our cooking adventures. It's like a delicious time machine to my childhood. The tender lamb, the sweetness of the jackfruit, and the blend of spices. It's perfect. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey down memory lane today. Cooking is not just about making food. It's about creating and sharing memories. I hope you'll try this lamb and jackfruit curry recipe and create your cherished memories. Until next time, happy cooking!